Good morning, children. Today we will study about face value and place value of a digit. Our first topic is face value. Face value it is the actual value of a digit. For example, if you have to tell a face value of the number 5, what will be its face value? 5. That means face value is the number itself. If I ask you face value of 6, it will be 6. If I ask you place value of 3, it will be 3. If I ask you place value of 2, it will be 2. That means face value means actual value of the digit. Now, next term is place value. The value of a digit based on its position in a given number. What is the place value? It is the value of the digit which is dependent on its place in the place value chart. Another way to find the place value is multiply the face value of the number by its position value. Now let us understand this concept more. Now the question is, find the place value of 4 in the given number. You have this number. How will you read this number? 32 crores 46 lakh 93,628. What you have to do here is, you have to tell the place value of 4. So first of all, what I did is, I arranged the numbers in the place value chart. So quickly tell me, what is the face value of 4? Place value of 4 is 4. Very nice. And it is at which position? It is at which place? It is at 10 lakhs place. So what I will do is, I will multiply its face value with its position value, with its place. 4 into 10 lakh is 40 lakhs. So what is the place value of 4 over here? It is 40 lakh. If I have to find place value of 3, what is the face value? 3. It is at which place? Thousands. So 3 multiplied by 1000, what do we get? 3000. So what is the place value of 3? 3000. Similarly, in the next example, you have to tell what is the place value of 6. How will you read this number? 63 crore 32 lakh 95,210. It is at which place? 6 is at which place? 10 crores. And what is the face value of 6? 6. So you will multiply 6 by its position value, that is 10 crores. And what will you get? 6 multiplied by 10 crores is 60 crores. Now let us move to one more question. Okay. So the question here is, write the period, place and place value of encircled digits. You have this number. You have to tell its period, its place and its place value. Quickly read the number with me. 83,21,069. So 9. You have to tell period of 9. Which period is this? This is ones period. And which place of ones period is this? It is ones place. And to find the place value, what do? We multiply the face value of 9. What is the face value of 9? That is 9. By what? By its place. Since it is at ones place, so we will multiply by which value? We will multiply by 9. And what is the place value of 9 over here is 9 into 1, 9. Next, you have to tell period, place and place value of 1. 1 is at which place? Look quickly. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. It is at which place? 10 lakh. And 10 lakh lies under which period? Lakhs period. Which place? 10 lakh. And you have to find the place value. So what is the face value of 1? 1. Multiply by its place. What is the place? 10 lakh. So 1 into 10 lakh is 10 lakh. Now, in the next example, you have to tell the period, place and place value of 2. Period, place and place value of 2. Quickly read the number with me. 78 crore 92 lakh 1,569. Let us quickly see what is the place of 2. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 2 was at which place? It was at which place? Lakhs place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Lakh will lie under which period? Lakhs period. What is the place of it? Lakhs. And to find its place value, what is the face value of 2? 2. And what is the place it is at? Lakh. So 2 into 1 lakh is 2 lakh. So what is the place value of 2 here? 2 lakh. Now in the next part, you have to tell period, place and place value of 6. Let us quickly see. It is at which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It is at which place? 10 crore. And 10 crores lies under which period? Crores. And to find its place value, what is the face value of 6? 6. Multiply by its place. 6 into 10 crores. What do you get? 60 crores. So to do these questions, you should be very thorough with the Indian place value chart. Thank you.